What's happening, everybody? So just a little trick I wanted to show you for spotting buy and sell signals using the moving average indicator. So I'm not by any means an expert on this. In fact, I really have no idea what I'm doing when it comes to technical analysis, aside from just really looking and absorbing everything that I see when I'm looking at a chart. I haven't done any actual self-educating on technical analysis. However, I do know one little trick, and that is how to spot buy and sell signals using the moving average indicator. So this is Webull, and we're looking at Dogecoin here. I recently decided I'm not a huge fan of Dogecoin. I don't think it's a sustainable cryptocurrency. However, it does have potential for some short-term profits. But I'm just going to use this one for our example here. So this is clearly an uptrend here, right? Where that first blue line is, up to that second blue line, clearly an uptrend. So come up here to your top right, go to indicators. You have all sorts of different indicators here, right? We're just going to focus on the moving averages. You can also do this with the exponential moving averages. I'll show you how to set that up. Go down to the bottom, hit add, find moving averages, click this little setting button next to it, and you want to set that top one to 10 days and then the second one to 20 days. You can play around with these numbers and look at your chart and see if you can fine tune it to something that works better for you. But I like to set it to 10 and 20 days. The 200 days there is just a little extra. I like to look at that as well, but you don't need it for this example. And I'll set the top one to the color green and then the 20-day to the color red. And you'll see why in a moment. So once you have that set, go back, go to your indicators, hit the moving average indicator. And so when you have your moving average indicator set like this, you can see I have that blue line at the cross point between the green and the red line. And that's because when you have it set up this way, the green line, your 10-day moving average line, is going to cross over your 20-day moving average line at the beginning of an uptrend. So you see once that green crossed over the red here, right? It started going up. The price started increasing. Right here they get close, but it doesn't cross all the way back over until you get all the way up here to that second line. And you'll notice where that red line crosses back over the green is just after the beginning of a short downtrend from here to here. That's a short downtrend, and right in the middle of that is where the red line crossed back over the green line. If you look here, I changed I reversed the colors on the EMA, but it's the same point. The red line crosses back over the green a little bit earlier over here, and you'll get different effect with the EMA and the regular moving average. Like I said, I'm not huge on technical analysis. It's going to be one of the things that I start focusing on here pretty soon, because any tool you can add to your trading and investing toolbox is going to help you. All the tools you can get added to your toolbox, the better off you're going to be. But this is just a quick little trick for you to help spot you buy and sell indicators or signals using the moving average indicator. See, the red crosses back over the green here in the downtrend, and then the green crosses back over the red here once the trend starts to head back upward. And then right here starts to flatten out and go back down. The red's on top. A little tiny uptrend right there. Red goes back over the green in the downtrend. And I'm sure you get the point by now. The green line crosses over when there's an uptrend. So you'll definitely want to educate yourselves a little more on technical analysis as a whole. What exactly an exponential moving average is, and moving average as well as the other indicators. But just a little something to open up your awareness to the possibilities with charts and analysis. this is just one little thing you can do. There are so many different tricks and other tools you can add to your toolbox by learning technical analysis. I hope you found this useful, and I hope it goes without saying, you don't want to use this all by itself to determine when to buy and sell a stock. However, when you start using all the tools that you learn together, this is just one step. This is just going to put you one more step ahead. So, hope that helped you out. If you have any input, any comments, any suggestions, please drop them below in the comments. I appreciate you watching. Keep making them boss moves, baby.